Welcome to the ultimate tutorial on conditional formatting in Excel. This is not your average overview. We're diving deep into what conditional formatting can truly do for you. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even advanced user, this tutorial will open your eyes to powerful ways of visualizing and interpreting your data instantly. You'll not only learn the tools, but also real-life applications that most tutorials skip over. We'll be using a simple data set to guide you step by step, so open your Excel workbook and let's begin. Before we start, let's download a simple data set from Kaggle. I have downloaded it, and you can download it too if you want. This data set is simple yet rich enough to apply all types of conditional formatting, color scales, icon sets, formulas, and data bars. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting allows you to automatically change the appearance of a cell based on its value. This means you can highlight high or low values, show trends, or alert for errors, without writing a single formula. It's visual storytelling with your data. Let's begin with the Math Score column. Select all cells under Math Score. Go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules. Choose Greater Than and enter 80. Set the format to green fill with dark green text. Click OK. Now all high-performing students in math are visually highlighted. Try Less Than and apply red fill to quickly spot low scores. Also try Between to highlight scores between 50 and 70. You can customize these colors by clicking Custom Format in the dialog box and adjust it as you want it. Let's now apply a color gradient. Select the Reading Score column. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Color Scales. Under Color Scales, choose the green, yellow, red color scale. Now Excel assigns green to the highest values, red to the lowest, and yellow to those in the middle. You can customize this scale too. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules, and then Edit Rule to choose exact colors and value types, as you want it. Now let's proceed to data bars. Data bars are great for showing progress or comparison. Select the Writing Score column, Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars, then Gradient Fill. You'll now see bars inside the cells that represent how high each student scored. Choose Solid Fill for a bolder visual. You can also hide the numbers if you only want to show the bar. Manage Rules, then Show Bar Only. Now it is time to understand the icon sets. Icons can be used like traffic lights to indicate performance. Select the Final Grade column. Conditional Formatting, then go to Icon Sets, choose 3 arrows or 5 ratings. By default, Excel divides values automatically, but you can customize it. Go to Manage Rules, then go to Edit Rule. Here, you can change the thresholds manually. Use percentages, numbers, or formulas. Change the icons, arrows, stars, flags. Example, show green up arrow for grades above 85, yellow for 70 to 85, and red down arrow for below 70. This makes dashboards or summaries instantly readable. Now let's see the formatting based on text values. You're not limited to numbers. Let's try formatting based on text values. Select the pass column. Conditional formatting. Then go to Highlight Cell Rules. Then go to Text that contains. Enter Yes and apply green fill. Then repeat for No with red fill. This makes pass or fail students instantly obvious. Now, let's see how to managing and clearing rules if you don't want them. As you add more rules, Excel gives you tools to manage them. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. From here, you can 1. Edit or delete rules. 2. See all rules in the sheet or selected range. 3. Set priority, which rule comes first. Use Clear Rules. Then go to Clear Rules from entire sheet if things get messy and you want a clean slate. Or go to Clear from selected sheet by selecting the column you want to clear rules from it. And that's your complete guide to conditional formatting in Excel. Whether you're highlighting trends, comparing values, or building visual dashboards, conditional formatting is one of the most powerful and underused features in Excel. Don't forget to practice with the dataset we used today and experiment with your own. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more deep dive tutorials.